This is Amsterdam's Johan Cruijff ArenA, home of the city's world-renowned football club Ajax. The stadium was built in the mid-1990s, with seating for over 55,000 people for football matches and around 68,000 people for concerts. It's the largest stadium in the Netherlands. Arcadis was responsible for the original integral design of the stadium and has worked on numerous projects since then. Senior design engineer Mike Smith is our project lead for our continuing partnership with Johan Cruijff ArenA.
Over the past 2 decades, Arcadis has been the main technical advisor of the stadium. One of the projects I'm most proud of is the solar array system, which we designed and helped build. There was a stronger business case to place them on only one side of the roof, but the client really showed their long-term commitment to sustainability by taking on our advice and placing them all around the roof. This maximizes the amount of energy produced and also further decreases the carbon footprint of the stadium.
The solar array is comprised of around 4,200 solar panels and covers around 7,000 square meters of the stadium's roof. Each year, the array generates enough electricity to power around 270 Dutch households, and as a result, the stadium is able to prevent 430 tons of CO2 from entering the atmosphere.
So in 2010 we decided to do the full energy transition of the Johan Cruijff ArenA. We started with the solar panels on the roof. We were connected to city heating and city cooling. The other energy used for electricity is coming from windmills in the harbour. And next to that we developed a battery of 3.5 megawatts to store the energy which is generated in daytime so that we can use it at night during the matches and the concerts.
Our relationship with the Johan Cruijff ArenA has been beneficial for both our organizations. I think the stadium is a great example of what we can achieve when we have clients who are constantly thinking about the future and how to improve it. Together we've been able to translate this vision into concrete steps, contributing to the sustainability and the livability of the city of Amsterdam.
So the energy transition that we have fulfilled here has shown us that it's feasible and you can just do it.